So it's the beginning of 2014. We've just rung in the new year and it's very exciting and everyone's looking ahead. So I decided to take the next 3 video blogs and break down one of the most intimidating subjects when it comes to personal finance, and that is investing. This first blog is going to be a lot of the why behind investing. The second blog, we're going to talk about mutual funds, and then the last blog, all about retirement investing like 401ks, 403bs, and Roth IRAs. Now all that may sound very boring to you, but stick with me, I promise, because investing is exciting, and this is the #1 way that you can build wealth when your money starts working for you. Now the very first thing when it comes to investing is I want you to be in a position where investing is not going to harm you, but it's going to help you. And in that I mean I want you to have a solid foundation. So before you ever start investing, I want to make sure that you are completely debt-free except for your house. And second, that you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in the bank. A lot of people ask, why would you want that first? Well, I want you to have that solid foundation, because if something happens, like you lose a job and income's not coming in, something in your life crazy happens, all of that you'll be taken care of. If you don't have any payments, and if you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, that puts you in a completely different position than if you had money invested but you're living paycheck to paycheck because you have payments and you have no emergency fund. And then #2, have a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. Investing is long-term. You have to think long-term, because if you think short-term and the market, does something crazy and you freak out and you pull all your money out, then you're going to lose the benefit of keeping it in and letting it ride off the market. So let's take the very bottom of the recession, March of 2009. If you had invested that month and you continued to invest, by September of 2013 of last year, your money would have doubled. So it's like my dad says, the only person that gets hurt on a roller coaster is someone that jumps off. So you have to ride it out. I mean, if you look at the chart of our market, right, it does this, it does this, it's up and down, so you have to ride it out. You have to have a long-term perspective. So my husband and I, when we fund our retirement every month and every year, we're writing checks and we're literally saying, we're not gonna see this for years and years and years and years and years, and we're okay with that, because of what investing does. Your money's working for you. So those 2 things hopefully will help you on your journey to investing. And again, the next 2 video blogs will really dig deep in some of the tactical ways to invest.